The State Congress Party is contemplating of writing to the central technical authorities to ask them to investigate into the work tenders awarded by the state government through Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation, GPCC President has said.
Addressing media persons at the party head office in Panjim on Saturday, the GPCC president said that using the urgency clause, the state government had sanctioned some of the developmental projects such as the cable stayed bridge at Kalvim at an exorbitant rate.
The same corporation, GDIS corporation, of which the Honorable Chief Minister is the chairman, is involved in issuing tenders for stay bridges. Stay cable bridges. Stay cable bridges are temporary bridges built by the military, like the Boring Bridge was built by them, the Bailey Bridge, and they are not conducive and suitable for saline effect of Goa. But these bridges are fast turnover bridges. You get money very fast. The minimum quotation was from a Kerala firm which quoted 24 crores, but as GDIS, Goa Infrastructure Development Corporation, is following a scheme by bypassing the PWD manual, they give it to the highest. And we have come across, instead of 24 crores, the Kalvim Bridge, they spent 58.5 to 8 crores. So I think it is a loot in the name of development. We caution the government that we will demand a central investigation wherein technical audit will be done and the actual cost of the bridge will be known, because all the money which comes to Goa comes from the central government, and we will not permit this government to give bogus utility certificates. I read yesterday that the consultants for Zuari Bridge will be paid 3.25 crores. Again, this is a loot. You have the mechanism here in the government, in PWD, in the center, National Highway Authorities of India, those people should be used.
Accusing the state government of being imprudent in financial matters, Mr. Fernandes said that the present government had also spent an excessive amount on the opening and the closing ceremonies of the Lusophone Games. He said Congress party had received complaints from various people over this matter.
दूसरे मुझे संशय दिसता because there is a wasteful expenditure, because this government is running like a IFI government in Goa.
Fernandes also spoke over the issue of the Kankona building collapse.
And therefore we are very serious of this matter, because the builder, he is just running amok. He comes before the Honorable High Court for a bail. And there is a complicity because government is acting as a waiter. And this defaulter has not been arrested. It was very easy to arrest him when he came to the court to sign the documents, to file his bail petition. And now government is trying to issue order and hoodwink the people of Goa, saying that he is an absconder. So I think there is abatement, and only a judicial commission will bring out the truth.